We all have gone to office, correct? डब्बा देखे गए हैं कभी ना कभी जिंदगी में. You go to the office, you have your lunch, you empty the dabba, you bring the dabba back home in the evening. Your wife opens it, your mother opens it, or your husband opens it. Some are lucky the husbands work. So when you have that, when you open the dabba, what happens? It smells. Okay? Now, when you have your food and it doesn't get digested and it remains in your intestine, and after that you have your food, the food gets digested very fast, as I said. It cannot push the food and it remains digested but on top of the food. Then the problem starts. So what we say is have your food first, let the food push all the junk out. It detoxifies everything. Sometimes you have people give you a diet, only fruit diet. Then they have a liquid diet. Fasting is known as for water diet. Why do we require fasting? So always all fruits before the meal. हमारे इंडिया में क्या है, खाना खाया फिर वो फ्रूट का बाउल लिया और सास भी कभी बहू थी वो देखने बैठ गए. Or some reality shows now that you have. So many of them have lost count of it. But this is what we do. Please do not eat while reading a newspaper or watching TV. Do not eat while watching a news or TV or reading a newspaper or book. Because you tend to overeat. You don't realize. Mind udar hai. The best way to enjoy your food is concentrate on what you are eating. Sometimes, if you have a time enough in the future, how you lay your thali out and then eat from anti-clockwise, starting with that, ending with what is there. Pickle, papads, avoidable. They add taste, but they add a lot of problems. Avoid that because your pickle and papad and chutneys are good if you make what I'm going to tell you, share certain chutneys recipes. They are good, otherwise you tend to overeat. If I forget to tell you, please do not add lime to your food in any form. You can have your limbu pani in the morning, but no limbu on samosas and patties and gravy and all that. Is that clear? Very, very simple. Because you are now making your stomach fight internally. Take acidic food, take alkaline food. By adding limbu to all your food, यार नींबू मार थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. To avoid that. Is that clear?
One thing you said that around normally office start at 10:30.
Yes, sir.
And normally you are used to having tea for a couple of years that way.
Correct, sir.
What should we do to break the habit? Just have biscuits, that will do.
Have some?
Have some biscuits because...
Excellent. Now again, I'm very, very important. He's brought this topic up. Have biscuits. Have biscuits if you want. Okay? But do not dip your biscuits in your tea or coffee or in your milk. Take the biscuit, bite it, let your saliva in the mouth rotate the carbohydrate that you are eating. What you are doing, why am I saying, okay, drink your food. हम जब वो बिस्किट लेते हैं, डिप्की मारते हैं, पता है आजकल तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट देता है, dip it and have it. It doesn't break. Okay? Now what do? When you put that biscuit which is so soft, okay, you take the food directly into your stomach without saliva taking place or activating the food. Now 60% of the carbohydrate is digested in your mouth. 60% of the carbohydrate, that is rice, chapatis, if you chew it, it is digested in your mouth. अगर हम बिस्किट ले रहे हैं, I'm glad that you brought up this topic. You eat your biscuit, chew it, फिर उसके साथ चाय पियो ना. But let the biscuit take the help of the saliva to take it down. Don't take the help of the tea directly down. Then the problem starts because 60% of that carbohydrate is not digested. Only 40% is digested, 60% goes waste. Drinking water avoidable with meals. 45 minutes before the meal, 45 minutes after the meal. you are diluting the digestive acid. What happens is, they say in 6 minutes, ENO will give you a relief, Gelusil will give you a relief. But what does the Gelusil do? It dilutes the digestive acid into your stomach. You find the relief very fast. But then the food remains for more time in your stomach because it doesn't get digested, because you have diluted the digestive acid. आप उसको कमजोर कर दिया है. And when you make your own body कमजोर, then it cannot digest. Is that clear? You have biscuits. I'm glad that you brought this topic up. But have it. Yes. No question. Oh, I'm glad. I thought you had your hand up. 4 p.m. you have your tea plus night snacks or sandwich. This is, I'm talking about general health with diabetic. 2-2.5 घंटे में कुछ खाना चाहिए. I will share a lot of experience with you today. My own personal experience over the years. I know my body. मुझे क्या कब खाना चाहिए मेरे लिए बहुत important. And we must all learn to. Your body gives out signals. Your body gives out signals. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling low today. I'm feeling weak today. I'm feeling feverish today. When you feeling that, when you have that feeling of feverish, you feeling that you're feeling low, skip your meal. Please, ladies and gentlemen, skip your meal. एक meal छोड़ दो. Soup पे आ जाओ. Why does the doctor say when you are feverish, have soup, bread, butter, coffee, biscuits? Why do you need to pay him 300 rupees to take the same advice when you're getting it free here? Is that clear? Skip one meal, you still feel weak, skip a second meal, then go and see a doctor. Unless it's very serious pain. But if it's feverish and if you're feeling low, skip a meal. Is that clear? Please, at any point you feel you need to put up a question, ask me. I don't want you to wait till the end. Because I'll forget the answer, you'll forget the question. You ask me at that point. Is that clear?
Or if you don't take food, if it's 10:30 to 11:15 because of some reason, then what will be the function of acid which is generated?
It's eating up your stomach. उसको तो खुराक चाहिए ना? Acid को तो खुराक चाहिए. It starts eating up your stomach, and then what happens? You start getting burning sensation. वो एक plank हो जाता है. You feel your stomach is giving. And over a period of, it doesn't happen in one day. It happens in 3 years, 5 years. Acidity होता है. And the first sign of acidity is गले में खटास आती है. And I'll tell you how you find out acidity. Your hair will start falling. When your hair starts falling, you got acidic blood. Trust me. You understand that very clearly. When you catch out the signs, your body gives out signals. कि क्या मुझे problem हो रहा है. So when you don't have this for 3 years or 5 years, then what happens? Then you get ulcers. फिर आप क्या करते हो? खाना खाते हो, जलता है तो जेलुसिन मारा, इनो मारा, दुनिया भर का और चूरन और क्या क्या. God, I don't try to remember those names also. But there's so many things that people advertise, and great personalities advertise. And ask them that, have you tried that? He said, no, I've never tried it. But they advertise. I think we should ban such advertisement if they don't try it. Honestly, this is something that we need to take it up.
Is ENO harmful?
All things to kill acidity is harmful. If you have an acidity problem, after meal, take half a glass of milk, half a glass of crushed ice, sip by sip, and you will feel relief and feel much better because you are taking milk. Trust me, it's tested out.
half a glass of milk.
Half a glass of milk and half a glass of crushed ice. Ice ka bhuka.
It should be mixed with the milk.
Milk.
Milk will be room temperature, sir.
Room temperature, it will become cold with ice. And then you sip that glass over a period of 20 minutes until all ice is melted. I can assure you, do it for 5 days, acidity good. Acidity good.
After meal,
After meal, when you feel sensation of acidity, instead of ENO and all, try this out. There are many other things that we will share. But now that you're talking, I'm just giving you offhand. Because there are things that I keep on telling people what to do.
Sir, after dinner we can have.
You can have it after dinner, after lunch, anytime. Just half a cup. If you feel that half a glass is too much, have quarter glass of milk and quarter glass of ice. Mix it up, shake it up, sip it, sip it. Please, sip, don't drink it, tuck, 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 tuck.
So you mean sort of the hot drink, that's what people used to have. Hot milk, which has been a habit for generations that
But that's in the night.
Huh?
That's in the night.